Now, let's do another finger picking technique that sounds good on a lot of songs. What we're going to do is we're going to again play the bass note with our thumb, just like when we plucked our strings together like that. 1, 2, 3. But instead of going 1, 2, 3 and playing the high strings together, we're going to play them one at a time, like this. We're going to use our thumb, play the bass string. Let's make our D chord. And we're going to play thumb, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So I'll say thumb, and that's your bass note, the 4th string. And I'll say 1, and that's your 3rd string. And I'll say 2, 2 finger, 2nd string, and 3, 3rd finger, 1st string, 2, 1. So thumb, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 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 So again, we're in the key of D. So let's go through that. The thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 finger picking. So we'll do that all through the key of D, which, as you know, is D, G, and A, and back to D. So I'll call out the chords, and at first I'll say thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay? So let's start with D, and then this time we'll play each chord just twice before we change. We'll do it slowly. So it's starting with D. Okay, let's go. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. G. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. A. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. D. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Back to D. G. A. D. Okay, so that's the key of D. Now let's do the same thing in the key of G. And G, remember, is G, C, D, and back to G. So let's do the thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 finger picking in the key of G. So we'll start in G. We always start with the first chord, which is the same as the key. So the key of G starts with the G chord. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. C. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. D. Thumb 2, 3, 2, 1. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Back to G. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. C. D. G. C. D. G. Okay, so that's G, C, and D, the key of G, the good key.